Looking for the best tile cutter to make your DIY projects easier? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. One Go-To Tile Cutter Disc. Let's kick things off with the One Go-To 4 1/2 inch Tile Cutter Glass Cutting Disc. Priced at just $13.99, this product caught my eye with its strong diamond material. If you're tired of rough cuts and want a reliable disc that lasts, this is worth a serious look. So why should you consider this tile cutter? The diamond particles embedded in the surface promise a smoother cut without chipping, which is crucial when you're working with delicate materials like glass and ceramic. Plus, its ultra-thin design means it requires less force during cutting, making your job easier and quicker. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly resonating with DIYers who need effective solutions. Now, here's the honest flaw. Some users have pointed out that the disc can wear out quicker than expected if used on tougher materials. Here's the thing though, it's designed for glass and ceramic, so if you're sticking to those materials, you'll likely be very happy with its performance. This cutter is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking to cut tiles and glass without the fuss. But if you're planning to tackle large, heavy-duty jobs, you might want to look elsewhere. At just under $14, it's a solid buy for the occasional project. Now, if the One Go-To's potential wear issues concern you, this next option takes a completely different approach with a more robust design.
Product number 2. Naku Heavy Duty Laminate/Vinyl Floor Cutter. The Naku Heavy Duty Laminate/Vinyl Floor Cutter retailing for $129.99. The upgraded square panel design grabs my attention, and if you're serious about cutting flooring materials, this is definitely worth a look. What makes this cutter a standout is its ability to handle multiple cutting angles, 0 to 45 degrees, and a maximum cutting width of 13 inches. This means you can efficiently cut various materials without needing power tools, which is a huge plus for those who want to avoid the noise and mess of electricity. It's hand-powered, so you're saving on energy costs and keeping your workspace clean. With a weight of 17.46 pounds, it's still easy to maneuver, and the rubber wheels make it super easy to transport. However, some users have complained about its weight, saying it can be cumbersome to move for prolonged periods. But honestly, if you're looking for stability and don't need to carry it around constantly, it's a trade-off I'd take for the added durability. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast working on multiple flooring projects. Skip this one if you only need to cut tiles occasionally, as the price might be a bit high for infrequent use. But given its features, it's a good investment for serious users. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need versatility in a tile cutter. Product number 3, we have the DeWalt 20V Max XR Cutoff Tool, priced at $123.98. This tool is a compact powerhouse, and if you're looking for a battery-operated option that can handle tough jobs, you might want to hear this. What really stands out with the DeWalt is its brushless motor that delivers 550 watts of power, allowing you to cut through various materials without a hitch. It includes multiple wheels for different cutting needs, including a diamond tile wheel that's engineered for cutting hard materials. This means you can tackle anything from tiles to metal, making it a versatile addition to your toolbox. Plus, it has a bright LED light to help you see your cuts clearly, which is especially handy in dim areas. Now, I did find that some users mentioned it lacks a battery and charger in the box, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, if you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem, you likely have those tools already, and this makes it a more flexible choice for you. This tool is perfect for contractors and serious DIYers who need a reliable multi-material cutter. But if you're just starting out or working on small home projects, you might find it overkill. At just under $124, it's a worthwhile investment if you need power and versatility. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more traditional, the next product is a classic choice for tile cutting. Product number 4, Naku Vinyl Floor Cutter. Another option from Naku, their standard laminate and vinyl floor cutter, costing $109.99. This model also caught my attention with its unique design that simplifies the cutting process. This cutter offers a max cutting width of 13 inches and is capable of handling various flooring types. Like its heavy-duty counterpart, it features a clean angle marking line and a rubber wheel for easy maneuverability. The one-step angle and length alignment is a game changer, saving time and hassle on complicated cuts. This is especially beneficial if you're working on larger flooring projects where precision matters. However, I found that some users noted it can be a bit less stable than the heavy-duty version. But honestly, if you're using it for lighter materials, it should perform just fine. In fact, many users rave about its efficiency and ease of use, which can offset any minor stability issues. This cutter is great for DIYers looking for a reliable option that won't make a racket. But skip this one if you're only working with heavy tiles, as it might not be designed for that level of stress. For the price, it's a solid and quieter choice for vinyl projects. Now, moving on to a more traditional electric option, let's talk about the Skill Wet Tile Saw.
Product number 5, the Skill 7-inch Wet Tile Saw, priced at $89.99. This one's for you if you need something that can handle heavier duty jobs with ease. The stainless steel top is corrosion resistant and can support tiles up to 12 by 12 inches. With a blade cooling water reservoir, this saw minimizes dust while keeping your blade in top shape, which is essential for clean cuts. Plus, with adjustable rip and miter cuts, you can customize your projects more easily than ever. The bevel cuts from 0 to 45 degrees give you the flexibility to create intricate designs without hassle. Some users did mention that the saw can be a bit bulky and requires a bit more setup than expected. But here's the thing. If you're serious about tile work, a little extra setup is worth it for the quality of the cuts you'll get. This saw is perfect for those who are diving into tile renovations or serious projects, but if you only need something for small, quick jobs, this might feel like overkill. For just under $90, it's a fantastic value for serious DIYers or professionals alike. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap all 5 options. So we've looked at the One Go To tile cutter disc, the NAACO heavy-duty floor cutter, the DeWalt 20V Max XR cutoff tool, the NAACO vinyl floor cutter, and the Skill Wet Tile Saw. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the DeWalt cutoff tool because of its versatility and power for demanding jobs. Avoid the One Go To if you need a heavy-duty solution, as it's better suited for lighter tasks.